Okay, what we have here is a 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1 in super crazy, amazing, brand new restoration kind of condition. We're gonna start it up for you. Purrs like a kitty. This is solid number 2 condition car. It's not perfect, but as close as you can get with this price point. So here's an example, has a little ding here. But as you can see, this paint is super shiny. Super good paint on this car. No smoke, no nothing. Why? Because it's a brand new motor. Straight as an arrow. It's basically a brand new car. There's really nothing to talk about on it. I mean, it's just brand new everywhere. Every nut and bolt. Every nut and bolt on this thing is brand new. Every button, every piece, every latch, every single thing in here is fresh. Hinges. I mean, the paint job underneath the hood is glossy, shiny. Headliner, I mean, dash. It's just nothing to talk about. If this is your cup of tea, we have the car for you, because it's just a fresh build everywhere. Every rubber, felt, interior door panel parts, interior of the door, latch hardware, every nut and bolt and screw, as you can see. Shiny everywhere. Does not come with this pit crew. I repeat, does not come with that guy right there. That would be nice. Can you do a favor and open the trunk? Break glass everywhere. Keys are on the center console.